welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn and welcome back to another Jordyn video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an updated iPhone app. Updated iPhone tour. We are going to be doing an updated what's on my iPhone, and I haven't done it in a long time, but I do get a lot of requests to do it, and I think it's the perfect time to do it just to show you guys what's on my phone and what apps keep me busy and what entertain me during this long old quarantine. And the governor just announced that the quarantine is going to last till May 15th, so we still have 15 days when I'm filming this video of quarantine left. Hopefully, cross your fingers and toes, and then we'll be back to normal, kind of, but we still can't do anything. So let's get right into it. This is the case I have on it. I've had this case on it for a long time right now, but I think it's really cute and I love the flower and the vines. And my lock screen is a really pretty like ocean that is sparkly ocean. And now moving to the inside. So in the inside, my background is sort of like waves that are kind of sparkly and golden. I just wanted it to match the outside lock screen as well as the home screen, you know, have a little matchy vibe. And then on the bottom row, as you guys can see, my things are organized. Wait, I'm trying to find the right word. The pictures of the apps I changed. If you guys are interested on how I changed the pictures of the app, then you can let me know and I'll do a quick little video on it, maybe in IGTV, because it's pretty easy to catch on. But yeah, the cloud one is messages, one is the music app. It's just like the basic app with the phone apps and stuff. So my phone is still color coordinated, and I think the only new one I added is the school one, but we'll get to that later. I don't know if it's new or not. So if we go into the red category, I have Pinterest, YouTube, and Gmail. I only use Gmail when I want to look at my if my teachers message me or if I need to see something really quickly and not want to go on my computer and sign in, blah blah blah. Then I have YouTube, of course, to watch YouTube. YouTube on my phone I use a lot, and I don't know why. I also have YouTube on my TV, but for me I like YouTube on my phone better. And then I have Pinterest, where I get all of these aesthetic pictures from. Then we have Orange. Now Orange has a lot of apps. So the first app is a Think Up, and Think Up is just positive things. And then Paper.io, it's just a game. I really love to play this game a lot because it just passes time, and it's pretty fun until I lose a bunch of times and I stop playing. And then we have the Home app. I don't really know what the Home app is for. And then we have Notes. It's just a bunch of random stuff. We have Geometry Life. I like Geometry Life because, again, it passes time and it's really fun to play. You just tap and try to win. It's a really easy game to catch on to. We have Totem, I don't know how to say it, but again, another game that just passes by. Then we have this game called Words. I don't know why I downloaded it. I don't know when I downloaded it, but it's there for some reason. And then we have Snapchat. Should supposed to be in the yellow, but I don't know why. But we have Snapchat, and I really only use Snapchat for the filters and for messaging or sending things to one friend. And I don't really use it for anything else because, I don't know, it gets pretty boring. And then we have this animation app, and I really love this animation app because I can just make quick animations or cool animations. I don't really use it that much, but it's really fun. And then we have Cooking Fever and Animal Crossing Pocket Camp because I could get free items from that because I play Animal Crossing New Horizons. So why not? Free items! So now we're on to the green. The green doesn't have much. It has Find My iPhone, Spotify. Spotify I love to use when, I'm playing games or I'm doing my schoolwork. You know how I did a video on my school routine. If you want to go watch that, it's on my channel. And also, if you guys want to have some of my playlist or have me make a playlist or share some of my favorites, then let me know and I'll do a video on it and share them with you. Then we have FaceTime, Bitmoji, Messages, and iPhone. Green mostly has just the basic iPhone apps except Spotify and Bitmoji. Then blue over here, blue doesn't have that many. I deleted a ton of apps because my storage was full. Every time I would take a picture, it would become full again. And I was like, why? And it was all the apps I had in blue. So blue doesn't have that many anymore. So we have Apple Store, then App Store, and Mail, weather, basic apps. Then we have Video Star. Video Star I really like because you can make anything with it, like little edits and stuff like that. And then we have Safari, Magic Tiles, 3, not 2, not 1, 3. And then we have Hungry Shark, and you just eat fish as a shark. It's very entertaining actually. Now moving on to purple. Purple we have Girl to Girl Wall. And that is just where girls can share their problems and questions they have, and other girls can respond to that. I definitely recommend that app. We have iTunes Store, Dark Room. Never tried Dark Room. I don't know what it is. I think it came on the phone, but I never clicked on it. And then we have Tune Out, and Tune Out I downloaded it because I saw it as an app on TikTok, and it said it made you into an anime character. Tried it. Did not work. I'm going to show you guys right now. This is me. Hi. Okay, and then it scans your face and it's supposed to make you into an anime character. And then it turns out like that. So yeah, that app is getting deleted soon. And then we have fonts, and that just allows me to type and cool different fonts. I'll show you guys in purple. You do this and you press fonts, and I got all of these fonts I can use and type on. It's really fun. Just a little something. And then we have Pixar, music, and Instagram. And Pixar, you can just edit photos. Music, you can listen to music. And then Instagram is Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, by the way. Selfless plug. And a lot of you guys asked how I edit my Instagram photos, so if you want me, I'll do a video on that soon. And now going on to Pink. Pink has one sad app, and it's just Health, that I've never used because it says welcome to the new Health app. So yeah, it's just Health with the pink little heart. Next is Rainbow, and Rainbow just has a bunch of kind of fun apps. So first we gotta go through the boring ones, such as reminders, photos, wallet, maps, and contacts. Those I don't use. Then we have Color Story. Color Story, it just kind of lets you edit your photos really well and really pretty. And then Color is where you can just color and do random stuff and make random things. I really like Color. I use it a lot and it just makes me happy. And then we have, sorry, my dog kicked me. And then we have Dumb Ways 3, and Dumb Ways is a series of games. So Dumb Ways 3 is just trying to save your character from random things that happen. It's really random. And then we have Mario Kart, and it's just the phone version of Mario Kart that's on your Switch basically. Then we have Google Home, and that's just for my Google Home. Yeah. Now is time for White. So White is pretty boring. We have Calendar, Drive, Tile. Tile I used for my STEM project. I needed it because this app made something beep, and that's all I needed. Then we have Prequel, and Prequel makes your like photos so pretty. I love Procreate so much. You can edit it however you like and it's just beautiful. Then we have fonts, and this again just lets you type cool fonts, and I downloaded 2 because they have different types. Now moving on to Black. Black has a lot of stuff in it and has the app I use the most. I'm almost always in the Black. So we have voice memos, compass, measure, calculator, motivation. Motivation gives you like motivational quotes every day and it's really nice. Have settings, camera, clock, pixel loop. Don't really know what pixel loop is. I downloaded it a long time ago and don't think I used it. We have TikTok. TikTok on the clock. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we just have TikTok. I use it so much and it passes so much time. Use it everywhere. Use it on my couch. Use it when I'm sitting. Use it when I'm standing. Use it when I'm on the toilet. Use it everywhere. And then we have shortcuts app, Afterlight, and Polar is also used to edit like photos of mine, but I don't edit my Instagram photos with these. So make sure if you want to see that video, give this video a big thumbs up. And the last one is just School. So School just has like CCSD on board. It's just for buses, Goodreads, Word of the Day, Photo Math, Student Campus, see my grades, Instapaper, Google Earth is really cool. I love just messing around on Google Earth. And Google Classroom, of course, Lingui, My School Books, and Quizlet. Used to use these a lot, but you know, quarantine. I do have a full apps I use for school video, so I'll link that in the description, so I'm not gonna go really deep in through all of them. So yeah, that is my whole what's in my iPhone. I did get rid of a ton of apps that I used to have before and downloaded a ton of new ones. So yeah, I hope this kind of gave you inspiration or like just some ideas on what to download if you're kind of bored, like a coloring app or an editing app just to edit your pictures, and TikTok just to pass the time. And yeah, it's just like, you know, I just wanted to show you guys because I know a lot of you guys have been asking for a new updated phone tour. My mind won't comprehend grammar right now. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love.